If you've ever dreamed of singing beautifully but didn't know where to start, this is your moment. Your very first singing lesson starts right now. Hello my friend, my name is Andre.mik. I am a professional singer with a classical background and welcome to your first singing lesson with me. Two pillars of singing. I divide singing into two giant categories: artistry, musicality and expression, and technique. And the first is musicality because this is what listeners actually judge. Most people don't hear your wrong technique, but they will hear if your performance feels flat or boring. But still, good singing requires both artistry and technique. Today we will start with technique and we will add artistry. Technical part. The most important thing in vocal technique is breathing. When I talk about breathing, I mean two things. First is breath support. To feel it, close your mouth and try to exhale strongly. Do you feel your belly pull in? That's your support. Your sound should begin there, not in your throat, not in your shoulders. Use support only while singing. Relax during pauses. The second, let the breath through. Let the air pass through your vocal cords. Support will create the pressure you need. Let's try the sound ha. By the way, the h sound is very good to feel the air passing through your vocal cords. You can put it before any vowel, but we will do with ha, like ha 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 ha, and not like ah. Now the air didn't pass through my vocal cords, and ha, now it's passing. Great, now you understand breathing. Important thing, if you want to sing quietly and secretly that nobody can hear you, I'll stop you right here. Bad idea. Singing too quietly will stop your voice and breath. You need to sing normally, not quiet and not loud. Another important thing, since I can't hear you, you must be my ears and my eyes. Record yourself on video. Pause the video now, set up your camera. Ready? Let's continue. By the way, if you support this channel by becoming a sponsor, once a month you can send me a video of you singing any song, and I'll send you a personalized video feedback. I will tell you which exercises to do and how to improve your singing. I will tell you your strengths and your weaknesses. You can also book a single video review or a lesson with me by email. Details in the description. Let's start with warm-ups. Warm-ups will help me to discover your current range, your strongest notes, your weak points, and your musicality. Tips before we start. Sing actively. Don't be shy. Don't forget your breathing, support and airflow. Listen to the piano before singing. Feel the note inside you before you try to sing it. Every note should move slightly upward. I mean, it should not stay on the same place, like not but Today I would like you to sing only with humming like or better with another sound like The difference is that your mouth is not completely closed. The air is passing through your lips. And when you do humming, it's completely closed. So I recommend you to do this one with when the air is passing through your lips. It's extremely important to sing with resonance. You need to hear it and to feel it with your body. When I say resonance, I mean this vibration in your body, in your lips, maybe somewhere here. First, one note, warm up. Let's sing it together. Don't forget to record yourself. Great, now listen to your recording and note which notes sounded natural and beautiful. This is your bass range. What were your lowest and highest comfortable notes? Don't go above them yet. Learning to sing is a slow and gentle process. Where did you have intonation problems? Now let's do 2 notes warm-up. This improves smoothness and musicality. Tips: keep active energy. No gaps between notes. One note flows into the next. In fact, there are no distance between the notes. I'll show you what do I mean. As you can hear, there is no border. The first note enters into the second, not like this is not good. Use artistry. Don't sing it like a robot. Sing it like a mini song, not like but instead like this. So now let's sing together. Record yourself and check again. Now let's sing 3 notes vocal warm-up. Don't forget to use breath support from your lower abs and pass the breath through your vocal cords. No space between notes. Think like a violin. Smooth, no edges. Let's sing this vocal warm-up together with the same sound. In a real lesson, I will also ask you to sing same warm-ups but with open mouth and on vowels like a, o, u. But today in this video we will go forward. And now it's time for a song. Let's say you choose a song you love. Since this is a video, I'll pick a random one. Let's say Hallelujah by Leonard Cohen. I will ask you to sing this song. I will look at your intonation, diction, breathing, phrasing, artistry, and musicality. Most common beginner's problems. You don't fully know the melody or lyrics. Then you sing with fear and overfocus on melody, lyrics, and technique. I'd ask you to sing a cappella without music or instruments to fix uncertain notes. I've heard there was a secret chord. Chord was not correct. The note was too high, and I would like you to correct it. I've heard there was a secret chord. Now it's correct. Another one is you may sing shyly and you think I'll be expressive when I get better. No, you have to do artistry now. Later may never come. Well, it goes like this: the fourths, the fifths, the minor fall, and the major lift. Well, it goes like this: the fourths, the fifths, the minor fall, and the major lift. The baffled king composing hallelujah. Also, you may sing without support, like the baffled king composing hallelujah. Now the support was in your throat, and I would like you to put the support in your lower abs. The baffled king composing hallelujah. Another common problem is that high notes sound bad because you reach up to them. Think the opposite. When you sing low, think high. When you sing high, think low. I will give you an example. I don't do I heard there was a secret chord. I do like high. I heard there was a secret chord. This is what happens when you sing higher and you actually think that you sing higher. The baffled king composing hallelujah. And if I think that I sing lower, the baffled king composing hallelujah. It's much better. Our first lesson has come to the end. I hope you enjoyed, and if this video was helpful, please give it a like, write a comment, hit subscribe and bell not to miss new videos and your chance to sing better. If you want to support me, you can become channel's sponsor. You can click join under this video. You will also get some benefits. You can check the details. I am Andre.mik. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye.